Let's take a look at this example. Notice we have a couple of resistors. They're into resistors because they have this circuit diagram symbol, schematic diagram symbol. And this is some type of load. It could be a lamp, could be a bell, could be a toaster, who knows. They're just examples. I'm asked to find the voltage across these two and across this section. And then I'm asked to find the current in these two parts. So let's take a look at how this is going to work. One of the first things I would do is convert these two into one equivalent resistor. 1 over 20 plus 1 over 20, well, it turns out this is going to be the equivalent of 10 ohms. When we do that, we see that we have a 10 ohm resistor here, here, and here. That gives us 30 ohms total. Okay? Now, when we do that, we have a 10 volt source divided by the 30 volts, that 30 ohms that we have here. So we're going to find out that the current is going to be 10 divided by 30, and that's going to give us 333 amps. Okay? And now, if I take a look at the voltage for each of these, remember voltage is current times resistance. This current times this resistance gives us a value of 3.33 volts. Another way to do that, and by the way, this is going to be the same. This is going to be the same here. And it's going to be the same here. Each of these is equivalent in resistance. And so they're each going to use up the same voltage. Now, notice they add up to 10. Yeah, 0.99 within rounding. Another way to do this is to say this is 1/3 of the total resistance of in the circuit. And if you take the voltage divided by 3, because this is going to be 1/3, you get 3.33. Looks great. Now, what's going to happen here at these ammeters? Well, remember, ammeters measure current. Now, these two are the equivalent resistance to each other. And so we're going to have the electrons, as their chunk coming here, they've got now a choice at this junction. They can go this way, and they can go this way. Well, each path is the same resistance. So they're going to split in half. What's half of 0.333? Well, 1.665. Yeah, my significant digits could be worked on, whatever. Another way to do that is to say, all right, I've got 3.33 volts going through this 20 ohm resistor. Well, current, if you take 3.33 volts divided by the 20 ohm resistor, you're going to end up with 0.1665. Doing these in different ways and coming up with the same answer should give you confidence that you've done the problems correct. I hope this was valuable.